As a father, si Daddy, nagsimula talaga kami as yung disciplinarian, authoritative type of a father. But growing up, he has revealed himself to me as someone very loving, very understanding. Actually, I look up to him because he's very inspiring. And at a certain point, I think it's safe to say na I owe my life to him.
As a husband, hindi siya malambing before. Pero ngayon, kung nagsabi ka ng I love you, lagi nang may-return nun. At tuto na rin siya mag-reciprocate ng, words of endearment.
Happy birthday, Chris! Enjoy your day! We love you!
Happy birthday, Boss Chris!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Chris! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo!
A very organized person. Wala siyang gagawin na hindi nakaplano. At pag sabi nakaplano, pagdating nung time na yon, lahat is in order. Yun yung una-unang pinaka-character niya na very amused ako sa kanya.
Kami ni Daddy, ride or die kami. Kami yung original type ng ride or die. Kumbaga, pag magkasama kami, hindi kami mapaghihiwalay. Siguro it just also, parang it gives meaning din na nung bata ako ay kamukha ko ang tatay ko. Para kaming pinagbiyak na bunga.
Hi, Daddy. Love you very much. Not just now, pero always and forever.
Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Hacienda Galea Events Place as we celebrate Crisostomo's 60th birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for the king of the night, Crisostomo Torres!
Thank you for everything. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for giving me all the reasons to be where I am right now. And for loving me unconditionally. Thank you for giving me so much than I actually deserve. Thank you because you're there. And thank you because you're my father. You're the best. I love you so much.
Where did they go? That which I cherish and that I wrestle. Don't want to be like the dust that settles.
Tito, happy birthday.
This empire of nothing. I find that I'm king of all
Maraming
these
salamat
empty
sa iyo.
halls that I'm
Kasi
ruled by my
mula pagkabata,
own
at saka
flow.
lagi sa tabi ko. Ako, mula pagkabata ko, lagi ka nasa tabi ko, lagi nagpapaalala sa akin. Lagi mo sinasabi, Jeanette, kaya mo yan. Kaya Tito, maraming salamat. Hindi ko naaabaan, alam mo yan. Mahal na mahal kita, Tito.
Hanggang ngayon, so mula noon, yun na talaga si Ninong. And for me, tumatak na yun na hanggang ngayon, na bukod na si Ninong Chris at si Tita Rino lang yung talaga nakakausap ko na Ninong at Ninong ko, ang binyag ko, is siya yun na yung Ninong para sa akin. So, mas na-appreciate ko po yung presensya ni Ninong na bilang, baga, pag meron akong problema, hindi man siya pera o may bumabagabag lang sa isip ko, meron ako lagi makakausap.
Paalala lang na ano man ang nakamit natin sa buhay, huwag natin kalimutan magpasalamat sa Panginoon. And then, pasalamat din kasi Deska Tito for having a kind, beautiful, and loving wife. And also, beautiful, loving, smart, and bubbly daughter.
Yung buhay mo kasi dapat lang hindi mo ako pwedeng iwanan. Ngayon pa lang ako nagsisimula ulit mangarap and I want you to be there as I try my best to reach those dreams because in the first place, the dreams I have are for you and for Mom. Ayun lang po. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy. Sana alam mo yun. Sobra-sobra.
I know a land called the land of the living is the world beyond those curtains.
Thank you for the love and care you have for Casey and me. In God's amazing grace, may you be blessed abundantly with more years of good health, success, love, joy, and happiness. I love you yesterday yun ha. But don't worry, I love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.